Welcome to Ajax Union. This presentation is about our digital marketing strategy workshop, which we call the Sales Enablement Workshop. My name is Joe Applebaum, and I'm the CEO and founder of Ajax Union. We're a full-service digital marketing agency based in Brooklyn. And our team of digital marketing experts are extremely passionate about learning about your business goals and helping you be able to get an ROI on your marketing. Marketing is about testing, and you have to figure out what's going to work once you understand the business goals. So we're not just marketing experts, we're also business experts. And we've worked with lots of amazing companies. We call these amazing clients. We have amazing clients, amazing employees, and we create amazing synergy. And the reason why our clients love working with us is because we give them an ROI, but we also have fun doing it. We're a values-based company. And when we take on a client like you, we are very serious about making sure that we are living to our values. So if you take a look at our testimonials page on our website, you're going to see lots of amazing clients that have said really great things about us. And some of the things that they love about us is that we're responsive, that we're creative, that we're proactive, but more importantly is that we get things done. You see, we understand your business, and in order for us to understand your business, we have to first do a workshop like this to really get to know your business, and then we can have fun doing it, because people can only have fun doing things that they fully understand what they're doing. And then, of course, it's all about execution, getting it done. You see, we've been around since 2008. We started our company in 2008, and we were fortunate enough to work with over 1,100 clients since we started, so we really understand business. We were successful when we started our company at picking up clients quickly, showing them results, and fortunately, we were able to double our business every single year, and we were one of the fastest growing companies on the Inc. 500. Now, we're a B2B marketing agency based in Brooklyn. We're local, but a couple of years ago, we had a vision to be more virtual. That means people have less travel time. That means we have less downtime in case there's a situation like we're in right now. And what's beautiful about that is that we can meet whenever we want, both with our clients and together as a team, but we're also fully equipped to work virtually with zero downtime. Now, I'm excited about our core values because we really live our core values. Our first value is amazing communication, which means that we first listen, then we respond. As a communication company, as a marketing agency, it's very important for us to have amazing communication. And it's also important for our clients to also have amazing communication. We have ownership mentality. That means we take 100% responsibility for the outcome, for the results, and also for the process, for the things that we do. So we're always looking for ways to improve, but it first starts with having the right mindset in terms of taking full ownership over our projects, our tasks, and the work that we do. And of course, we're versatile. It's really important for us to be able to grow and keep changing and not have a fixed mindset, but have a growth mindset and continuously keep learning, because what worked yesterday doesn't work today. And what's working today may not work in a few years from now. So we have to keep on the cutting edge of technology to see what the newest thing is to be able to help you get an ROI. Now, we do have a 4-step process, and everything that we do is super process oriented, and that's how we get results. It's very systematic. Marketing is about testing, and if you don't have a process for what you're doing, then you're just throwing things at the wall, seeing what stick, and then it's not repeatable. We want everything to be repeatable, so we have a process of assessment, exploration, onboarding, and then synergy. And we love having amazing synergy with our clients, and that's why they stay with us for so long. Tony Robbins said that the right strategy will save you a decade, and for us, we take this seriously. We realize that people overestimate what they could achieve in 1 year, but they underestimate what they could achieve in 10. So having the right digital marketing strategy written down is extremely important, and that's why we start every engagement with one of these workshops, which I'm going to walk you through. But my question to you before you begin is, do you have a written digital marketing strategy that outlines your business goals, your marketing goals? Does your strategy include who your target market is, what your messaging is, what the value proposition of your company is? Do you have a step-by-step brief for every single tactic that you want to achieve? And have you done audits of your competitors, and are they all written down? And if you haven't done this, or you haven't done this in a while, and you haven't compiled it in a document that you can easily share with anyone working on your marketing, it might be important for you to consider doing something like that and aligning your whole current team with all those goals, those strategies, and ultimately those tactics to help you be able to have a goal. We want to be rowing in the same direction with you, because if everybody's rowing in a different way, we're going to just spin in circles. So our clients have told us that they came to us for a digital marketing strategy to revamp their marketing, to solidify their brand messaging, or to set digital marketing priorities. See, if you have too many priorities, you have no priorities. Identify new marketing opportunities. Gain an outside perspective from the Ajax Union's professionals. And of course, make your jobs easier. Create some team collaboration within your team, externally and with us. And of course, align your vision, your goals, and your initiatives. And of course, we always make our strategy sessions fun. Our workshop is fun. We have to. So sometimes it takes somebody from the outside to come in and look at your company with a fresh pair of eyes and help you take all those things that you've been doing for a really long time and help you be able to succeed. They say if you're in the jar, you cannot read the label. So that's why we created this workshop. So how does this work? So number one is we send you a pre-workshop questionnaire. And this is a document where you can take all the things that you've already spoken about, the things that are in your head, and fill out this questionnaire. Often you do this questionnaire together with your team, and you return the questionnaire 2 days before we actually launch the workshop so that we can do all our research, read it, and make sure that we're ready for the workshop. Then we host a workshop with your team. Sometimes we do this virtually, sometimes we do this in person. And after the workshop, we compile your workshop findings in a report together with all the different deliverables that we mentioned that we would do inside the workshop. Now, after that, we have a meeting and we present our findings, we present the strategy, and then it's really clear what needs to get done moving forward. Now, what is the timeline? First, we confirm your needs, your budget, your availability, and once we understand that, we send you the pre-session questionnaire, you fill it out, we schedule the workshop, usually within a few days, and after the workshop, within 2 to 3 weeks, everything is completed. So this is something that works relatively quickly. Now, before the workshop, there are things that happen. What happens? Well, we send you a detailed questionnaire to fill out, and it helps us learn about your company quickly. Now, we also do some preparation ourselves, which includes industry research, reviewing your pre-session questionnaire, reviewing your website, reviewing your leaders' LinkedIn profiles, reviewing your competitors' digital presence to be able to see what's going on their website, their social media, their paid advertising. We also review your existing marketing material, including your website, your social media, all the emails that maybe you're sending out. We test out your different forms. And then we brainstorm and we do some workshop preparation internally so that we are ready. We even role play to make sure that we know what's going on. Now, preparation is the foundation for success, so it's important for us to make sure that we prepare for your workshop and that you also are prepared for the workshop. Now, during the workshop, what we do is we first go through your core values. Now, keep in mind that everything that we write over here can be changed and customized based on your pre-workshop questionnaire to make sure that we're focusing our agenda around the areas that would be most valuable to your business. So often we identify our core values or discover them, confirm what they are. We do a company exploration where we ask business-specific questions to really understand your business and your industry, because nobody understands your business better than you and your team. So we really want to get deep into understanding what your business is about. We ask you branding questions, how you want your brand to be portrayed. And then we talk about goal setting, because you can't do a marketing initiative successfully if you don't really understand the business goals, the revenue goals. Sometimes we get into gross profit, net profit, what lines you want to be able to be more successful with, your average revenue per user, your churn rate, whether you have reoccurring revenue, whether you have more lucrative products in one line of business, whether how many accounts you want to have, the value of the most ideal types of accounts, how long it takes to onboard those types of customers, the lifetime value of a customer, your cost per acquisition, ideally where it is right now and where you'd like it to be. All those types of business questions. And we do some company exercises. We do an empathy map to figure out what your customers feel, because ultimately people make decisions based on feeling and they back it up with logic. So we have to be able to really understand your target market, maybe the different buyer centers. Sometimes we go for influencers, decision makers, sometimes the buyers, and often we also talk about the users themselves. Then we do a SWOT analysis where we figure out your internal situation, what's going on internally in your company, your strengths and weaknesses, and also your external, what's going on outside, your opportunities or your threats from other competitors or the industry or something going on. And then we do a content and strategy brainstorm. We come up with lots of ideas about things that we can later put into the various different marketing tactics that we're going to be using. Then we review your plan of action, what we need to do, what you need to do, and of course, what we can expect in terms of timeline. Now, we also do branding workshops, of course, where we take your current brand and figure out your why statement, your competitor analysis, your SWOT analysis, your persona funnel messaging, your company persona. We also have a checklist that we go through, which is your personality spectrum analysis, mood boards, color analysis, typography. These are things that we do when we do a branding component of your workshop. So it really depends on the type of workshop that we're doing for you. We would add other things. Now, after we finish the workshop and we go back into our office, we will then prepare things for you, like key messaging, positioning statement, a mission statement. Often the deliverables include your ongoing marketing strategy. And then workshop findings report, which includes a comprehensive document outlining your goals and priorities, business benchmarks, marketing and sales goals, and internal objectives. Sometimes you want your outside marketing ties in with your inside marketing, which includes HR, culture, communication, things like that. But it's very important to know that you're going to be left with a digital marketing strategy that's written, which includes buyer personas, your target market, your competitive analysis, really understanding your social media, your website, your paid advertising, your organic ranking on search engines. And of course, you're also going to have your funnel messaging. So whether it's top of the funnel for your marketing-based funnel, education-based marketing to create more awareness, middle of the funnel to be able to create more trust. So maybe case studies, things like that, like outline. And then, of course, your bottom of the funnel, which is getting people to like you and often buy from you. So we break this down of what we're going to be doing and the call to actions that we need to have in each area of your funnel. Again, most people don't have a marketing funnel outlined and documented. It's really important to do that in order for you to be successful. Now, we can also do marketing audits for Google AdWords or SEO or a website audit. Sometimes we'll do social media audits. Depending on your budget and the priorities and your goals, we'll do a conversion rate optimization audit, a CRO audit, or we'll do a website health check. And of course, LinkedIn company profile audit and the company page audits. Now, we have lots of audits that we do, and audits are different than briefs, but audits actually inform the brief. So before we create a marketing brief, we need to first do an audit, so then later we can create a brief of what needs to get done. Some add-on services include marketing briefs. So once we have those audits done, depending on the audits that we did, we will then go and create a digital marketing strategy, a social media marketing strategy for LinkedIn or Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. We'll create a paid social media advertising strategy for LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. We'll do email automation briefs. We'll do email newsletter briefs. We'll do LinkedIn outreach briefs or Google Ads strategy. A lot of people start with tactics and they don't have the actual strategies or the briefs or the audits created. So we make sure to have all this clearly outlined in a way that will help be able to show you what the ROI will be and what each person needs to be doing and what the style and the tone is and exactly what needs to happen. Now, we also have a LinkedIn Authority Blueprint where we create an entire strategy around your own personal LinkedIn profile, where we start with your goals, your target market, your messaging, and this would include a separate strategy session directly for your LinkedIn profile, and then we actually create an entire content calendar, an asset library, a connections dashboard. We'll optimize your profile. We'll do lots of things to help you make sure that you're super successful on LinkedIn. We call it the LinkedIn Authority Blueprint, which is also an add-on to our workshop. Now, we add on technologies as well. So often some of our clients want to make sure that they know who came to their website. Now, even if nobody filled out a form, there's technologies that tell you the names of the companies that come to your website. So we'll make sure to implement that if your budget allows. We'll add technology to tell you what people are doing on your website by tracking their mouse and showing you videos of the activity that they're doing on your website. And of course, we'll track who's calling, what they're saying, how they got there. So when somebody calls your business, we can see what keyword they typed into Google in order for them to find your website, dial your phone number, and then we can see exactly what company it is and what they did on your website and tie the whole thing together. This is our marketing stack that we put together as technology that will help us be able to get a better ROI for your business. Some other add-ons include execution, which includes SEO, SEM, social media, actually doing the work. So we take you through 3 steps, which is first strategy, which is your goals, your target market, your messaging. Then creating assets for you, which includes landing pages, lead magnets, and your marketing funnel. And then, of course, execution, which includes all that technology we spoke about and more, setting up the right reporting, and then sending traffic to that system that we put in place, which is exactly what we do. That's our solution and how we do it. This is our 3-step process of strategy with this workshop, then the assets, then execution. We start getting things done for you. Very powerful program. We have lots of really great case studies, and I would love to walk you through some of these case studies that we did for our clients, including Design Point. They came to us and we 3x their amount of leads in 30 days by revamping their entire design. The CEO, John Chioffi, great EO member, Entrepreneurs Organization, president of EO New Jersey. He said, we learned so much about ourselves by working with the talented and creative team at Ajax Union, and they communicate like pros and execute flawlessly. And we've been working for them for many years, created a logo, tagline, rebranded their business, and of course we're doing all their digital marketing on an ongoing basis for them. We revamped the Jeffrey Gitomer website, and we 10x the amount of leads in a single quarter. And we also increased the quality of their leads by 50%. And he said Ajax Union delivers the best ROI with their B2B lead generation and nurturing services. Plus, they're so much fun to work with. We really like them as part of our family. And I stayed at Jeffrey's house a couple times. He actually has a little kosher box for me in his house. Really, really nice family, really nice thing going on. He has a really nice operation and really great books. Check out his books. MakerBot came to us. We increased their revenue by 117%, and we doubled their traffic to their website through their PPC. All the executives at MakerBot said really nice things about us, but Mark, which is a previous EO member as well, he said the Ajax Union team really stands out because they focus on ROI and they actually get it done on time and on budget. So for us, it's all about getting it done, but really understanding your strategy, and that's what this workshop is about. So stop throwing darts at the board, hoping that one will stick. We figure out what works, whether it's account-based marketing, lead generation, awareness campaign, sales amplification, or B2B lead nurturing. We figure out exactly what works, and then based on what works, we start spending more in that area. Our tactics include SEO, PPC, email marketing, social media, content creation. We create nurture campaigns to be able to nurture your leads. And if you need a rebranding, of course, we rebrand you as well. We use awesome technologies like marketing automation, analytics, call tracking, conversion optimization. We have specialized reporting that make us really understand what your ROI is. And of course, we do all our own websites, design, and development internally. So our amazing solutions are here for you. And if you want to schedule a call with us to be able to get your messaging in order, to be able to do lead generation with us, to be able to help us, we can manage your WordPress management, right? We can manage your websites and all those different things. We're HubSpot certified, so we understand how to use Marketo and HubSpot and Acton and Pardot and all these email automation programs that help us be able to nurture leads and understand the best leads, what they are, where they are, and we get them to your best sales reps. And of course, if you want to schedule a workshop with us, just email amazing@ajaxunion.com. Our vision is amazing clients, amazing employees, amazing synergy. And we look forward to speaking to you very, very soon. Once again, my name is Joe Apfelbaum, CEO of Ajax Union. I'm excited to be working with you.